So I've actually decided to open up 3 of the profiles or myfxbook accounts for the Infinity Trader EA. Now, here's the one profile, here's the second profile, here's the third profile. Now, there's many more on the website, on the homepage. And this one caught my attention because it was a real account. The overall growth of the chart is phenomenal. The trading history is not too bad. It's got a good or a fair amount of trading history. And I must say, looking at all the profiles so far, all 3 of these myfxbook accounts for the Infinity Trader EA, it's looking really good. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing the Infinity Trader EA review. And if you don't know me by now, this is the first time you are watching any one of my videos. I've been involved in the forex trading markets since the year 2015. So it's been about 9 years, and I kind of know what I'm talking about. I've traded myself, I've sold or created my own forex trading course, used to sell my own forex trading course, traded forex robots, BAM investing, copy trading, numerous things. And in today's video, I want to talk about the Infinity Trader EA. On the top right hand side is a notification. You're more than welcome to watch any one of my previous videos that I've uploaded, reviews. I like to review forex trading robots. It is quite exciting for me. Now, I've got numerous businesses. I run multiple sources of income. And if you want to know more about that, then just leave me a comment quickly. Just type there multiple sources of income or hi Errol, I would like to know more about the multiple sources of income. Give this video a like, please, because once you give this video a like, it helps more individuals to see this video, for you watching this video in order to make an informed decision. I want to share as much information as possible for you to make an informed decision. Now, before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please take some time, pause this video, read the disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, on the Infinity Trader EA, firstly, it's got a drawdown protection system. And then second, this is the home page, the sales page of the Infinity Trader EA. And I will share with you in just a second where you can get hold of the Infinity Trader EA. And then I also want to talk to you why it is important to have a Forex VPS service, a virtual private server. And then I also want to talk to you about Forex brokers. I want to touch base on that as well. So make sure you watch this entire video because you might miss very important, valuable information. Next, it looks like you can do prop firm trading with this robot as well. It says there, prop firm settings, not bad. And then it's got a profit protection system. Now, this you can all see on the home page. What was really of interest to me was these myfxbook accounts. This one right here, this one right here, this one right here. Now, there's numerous other ones for you to have a look at on the website, but I just opened up 3 of the myfxbook profiles. So here's the first one that I opened, which is the Infinity Trader EA Real. This is the one I'm going to base the review on. And then I just opened up another one for your or for interest sake, and then I've opened up another one also just for interest sake. Now, I'm going to close these, and then what I do want to do is I want to share this one with you, the Infinity Trader EA Real. I want to talk about this one and discuss this one. Okay, so firstly, how can you get hold of the Infinity Trader EA? Should you want to make a purchase, you enjoyed this content, you've given this video a like, you've left me a comment, and you still feel that you are interested after watching this entire video, and you want to get the Infinity Trader EA, how can you do that? Okay, firstly, the very first link in the description below this video will bring you over to this page. Right here. Now, I am the owner and founder of Empire Digest. Like I said, I have multiple sources of income. I do something called affiliate marketing. And this business right here, when you click the show me how to make money button and you follow along, this business basically taught me about 90% of what I now know in order to create multiple sources of income, which allows me to invest in other things. For example, forex trading robots, forex investments, things like that, offshore, buy businesses offline, hard assets. So that's not what the business is about, but it's allowed me to set up multiple sources of income. It's called the hub-centric affiliate model. And if you want to know more, just click that button and you can follow along. Secondly, if you want to, in the description below this video as well, you will find links to my social media profiles. You can follow me on any one of those platforms should you want to. Okay, next. Click on at the bottom, you want to click on the Forex tab. Once you are on the Forex tab, I want you to scroll down to where it says Forex Trading Robots. You want to click the Learn More button. I just want to share something else with you. This will also be in the description below this video. You can join our VIP. This is more towards multiple sources of income and online entrepreneurs. You can join our free VIP community, which is community@empowerdigest.com, and you can literally just join. You can click on the join group for free, create yourself an account for free, and you are inside. Now, so after you've clicked the Forex tab, you then want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once on this page, all the way to the bottom, and you then want to go to this one right here that says Infinity Trader EA. You then want to go and you want to click the Access Now button. Now, these robots on this page are under no particular order or anything like that. So I just add them as we go along, and as I find good Forex trading robots that I would like to recommend to you, then I just add them. So there's no specific order to say this one is better than that one. It doesn't matter. I just add them, okay? So after you've clicked this button right here, the Access Now button, it will bring you over to this page, and you are more than welcome, should you want to make a purchase of the Infinity Trader EA. Now, very important. Okay, let's go back to the statistics, and then we'll talk about Forex VPS services, and then we will talk about Forex brokers. So back to the myfxbook account, which is the most important. Firstly, you can see it is the Infinity Trader EA real myfxbook profile. Now, if we go to the Infinity Trader Lab, just rearrange these pages quickly, tab, then you will see if you scroll down, I want to make you aware of this because my previous video that I uploaded, which was the News Scope EA, what I picked up is that they actually changed on the homepage. They changed the myfxbook account that was being shared here versus when you click on the link and you open it up in myfxbook, it's a completely different profile. So I just wanted to make you aware, and I'm not saying it's a good thing or it's a bad thing. I don't know why these developers and owners do it. Some do it for some dodgy reasons. Some do it just because they want to show you a better account, and they might still have the old profile or account on record. Now, just pay attention to these words right here. Every time you scroll on the website and you want to check the data or how it's been tracking and how it's been performing, just make sure that when watching this video you're on right now, and you've obviously given this video a like, then make sure that the profile name stays the same when you open it up. So in this case, this one says, let's go back up. This one says Infinity Trader EA Real. Look at the capitals, small letters, everything. When I open it up, it looks exactly the same, capitals, small letters, everything. Okay, just so when you open up a chart in the future, maybe you're watching this video 10 months from now, and then all of a sudden things look different. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay. Custom analysis. On this right hand side, you will see it says custom analysis. In this case, it is not set. What does that mean? It means that they are not hiding any trading data from you. So what you're seeing right now is literally since this robot started trading, since it opened the account with the broker. Okay. If it was set, it means that they are hiding some trading history or data from you, meaning it can be a good thing or it can be a bad thing. Usually, individuals, not saying Infinity Trader EA is doing it, but some developers, some guys do it. They hide previous data from you in order for you not to see how it's actually and really been performing. So you can scroll down, and then if it was set, it will bring up a notification right here to say that the custom analysis data is set. You can see I'm also logged into my myfxbook account on the top right hand side here. Now, next, track record is verified, trading privileges are verified, and it's also live updating, which is a good thing. All those boxes are ticked, and it's good. Next, you can see it's a real account, it's a USD account. The broker that they use is FX Open. With all honesty, I'll also use FX Open, and I will share with you exactly now how you can get hold or create yourself an account with FX Open, so just bear with me. Next, it's a technical, etc., etc. Right here, you can already see, very important, that they use a 1 to 500 leverage account. So when you go and you open yourself an account with a broker, it can be FX Open, it can be any other forex trading broker that you prefer, then you already know you need to open an account with at least a minimum leverage of 1 to 500. Next, the gain so far is 88.71%. Absolute gain is 88.7%. the monthly gain on average is about 3.21%, which is good. Think of average monthly or annual returns with your bank, with your financial advisor, mutual funds, etc., investments in general. How much money are you actually returning, not per month, per annum? And then you can think to yourself, well, what would a 3.21% average monthly gain do to your portfolio, to your investment growth? And then you have to start thinking compound interest. Now, if you don't know what compound interest is, leave me a comment and we can do a future video based on compound interest. So going down, the drawdown is phenomenally low. It's at 18.94%. And to verify that, we can click on the drawdown tab where you can actually see that the drawdown is phenomenally low. This month right here, it reached, in the year 2022, it reached 8.46%. And then it's so low, 0.3%. That is good, extremely good drawdowns. The lower the drawdown, the better. If you don't know what drawdown is, I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video. Just go Google it and it will be self-explanatory. I'll also cover it in some of my previous videos, so you're more than welcome to watch some of my previous video reviews. Now next, going back to the growth, I just want to show you the current balance of this account is $9,235.04 or 4 cents. The profit that this account has returned is $4,341.04. The deposits that they've made is actually $4,894. In actual fact, they've almost doubled this account. And we will actually look at the duration as to how long it took to basically nearly almost doubling the account. Next, you will see at the bottom here, it says equity growth, deposit, withdrawal. In this case, this little green dot is deposits. They've made one deposit in this entire account for this specific profile, and this is the deposit and the date. Withdrawals, they haven't made any. If they have made withdrawals, it will show right up here on the top side of this graph or of this block right here. So just as a point of interest. Next, if you want to confirm that it's also a real account, you can click on the general tab. It shows you FX Open as the broker, 1 to 500 leverage, real account, technical. The date that this account started was September 12th, the year 2022. So it's been going for just a little bit over a year, about, let's say, 1 year, 6 months, roughly. 1 year, yeah, about 1 year, 6, 1 year, 7 months that it's been going for. Okay, next, what you want to pay attention to, scrolling down, is you want to have a look at the summary, because the summary will tell you what pairs they are trading. In this case, this specific robot is only trading one pair, which is the GBP USD, and it shows you these statistics. Now, on that note, I want to talk to you about lowering your risk. You cannot ever eliminate risk, but you can lower your risk. How do you do that? By owning 5 or 10 forex trading robots, all different trading styles, different systems, different pairs. Maybe one forex trading robot will have 3 pairs trading, the other one will trade 1 pair, the other one 2 pairs. I want you to start thinking of just lowering your risk, spreading. Don't put all of your eggs into one basket, especially when it comes to forex trading robots and investments. Because as soon as something happens and that robot, for instance, bombs out, or your internet is a problem, or your laptop is a problem, or VPS is a problem, or anything like that, sorry about that, then what's going to happen is it's actually, sorry, I got confused there for a second. Then what's going to happen is it's actually going to end up you losing all of your money. And that is, apologies, I had to pause the video for a second there, and that is exactly what it is. And that is exactly what happens, is you want to kind of lower your risk. Now, next, what you want to pay attention to is the duration. You want to click on duration. This is also very important, extremely important, depending on the trading style and what the robot uses to trade and indicators, etc. You want to see how long the trades stay open for. In this case, about 2 days. The majority of them closes within 24 hours. This one, 8 days. And these losing trades was on 14, 15, and 17 days. It's not too bad. Just keep in mind, as soon as the trade stays open for 24 hours and longer, you will pay overnight swaps, which is a fee. Basically, call it a renting fee for the trade staying open longer than 24 hours. Either way, whether you win the trade, lose the trade, you are going to pay overnight swaps. Let's just call it a rental fee. Okay. So just something to pay attention to. Next, you want to open trades. They don't always share that. Open orders, they don't always share that. You can, if you want to, have a look at the trading history to see how it's been performing. Should you want to, then once again, going back to open trades, this is very important. The monthly analytics. Okay. So what that means is, once again, I've shared with you right here when this account started trading. And in this case, you can actually see how it's been performing. So since the year 2022, when the account started, it did the first month 0.9%, then 9%, 8%, 2%. 2023, it did 5, 6, etc. And then it started lowering or going down a little. Now, nothing bad against it, or nothing bad. Only I could immediately pick up that they lowered their risk, which makes sense. You want consistent long-term profitability. You don't want these massive returns and then all of a sudden you have massive loss and you blow your account, you lose all of your money. I would rather go for returns like this: 2%, 2%, 3%, 1.5, consistent monthly returns, keeping compound interest in mind, and having a robot trade for me for the next 10 years or 20 years and help me grow my investment, instead of having huge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months and then all of a sudden your account blows. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you like that, and if you haven't done it yet, give this video a like and leave me a comment if what I'm sharing with you makes sense. Now, going back to my website, which is the first link in the description, I want you to go to the Forex tab once more. Click on the, oh, in actual fact, let's see, maybe, yes, we are in actual fact on, yeah, we have to go back to the Forex tab. I want to talk about a Forex VPS service quickly. So Forex Virtual Private Server is literally a server that you rent. Let's call it you rent a PC that's got an uptime of about 99.99%, and it's got a consistent internet connection. Now, my recommendation is to trade with a Forex VPS service. Reason being, Forex trading robots does not like internet interruptions, laptop issues, PC issues, Mac issues, whatever it might be, any type of performance issue, internet or hardware. It doesn't like that. Because at any point in time, if that robot needed to take a trade, stop you out, take a profit, whatever it needed to do, and it didn't know what to do at that point in time, it can go two ways. One way, you can make a lot of money in one trade. The second way, you can lose all of your money in one trade, literally, just blow your account. So that's what you don't want. And that's why I recommend using a Forex VPS service, because they are usually good service, you buy good specs, and they are consistent, uptime 24/7 of about 99.99%, and it's stable. That's good. Once again, should they schedule maintenance, they will let you know way ahead of time, and that boils back to this right here. When we discussed the duration, if your trades, so in this case, your trade stays open for about 15, 14, 17 days, depending on when the Forex VPS service lets you know that they are scheduled for maintenance. If they let you know ahead of time, usually a month in advance, then you are A for a wait. Then you can wait for your trades to close, and you can literally close down your charts, close down everything, let them schedule their maintenance. Or you can take a chance if the Forex trading robot uses a hard stop loss and a hard take profit. Then you can close your charts, you can close everything, because at the point the trades are already registered with the broker on the server. So it doesn't matter what happens. If the trade goes the negative direction and it stops you out, good. If it goes the positive direction, you make a profit, good. At least you don't blow your account, because it's got a never-ending stop to it, if you understand what I mean. And the drawdown percentages are huge. So hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, leave me a comment below this video. So here are just a few recommended ones: VPS services, Scala hosting, FX Open, and then AccuWeb hosting. What you can also do is you can get back to Infinity Trader EA. You can contact their support right there, contact us, and you can ask them for the Infinity Trader EA, what is your recommended Forex VPS specifications? What would they recommend as VPS specifications? And then they will normally tell you what VPS specifications they would recommend, and then you can choose any one of these that are recommended or any one that you would prefer. Okay. And then lastly, going back one page, I want to talk about brokers quickly. As mentioned, I use FX Open, and you can, on the Forex tab right here, scroll down to where it says Forex Trading Brokers. You can have a look at the broker that I'm with, which is FX Open. And I've been using FX Open since the year 2015, and I still use FX Open. I still have money invested with PAM trading, etc. And I also do PAM trading with FX Open. I actually received a comment like during the course of today where an individual asked me, listen, what account or what broker do you use for PAM trading? So I use FX Open for PAM trading. Now, once again, if you are interested, I would highly suggest you check out the first link in the description below this video if you really want to take your income to the next level and create passive income with multiple sources of income with affiliate marketing. Check out this link right here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, financially successful life journey, forex trading journey, everything that is good and wonderful. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.